Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix 007 first light game crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on Xbox consoles, whether you're playing the game on Xbox X series or S series. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. Now the first fix include step 1, 2, 3 and 4. And after following all the 4 steps, you can check if your problem is fixed or not. However, you can also check your problem is solved or not after following the each steps. So here we go. First step is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Step 2 is to clear 007 first light's cache files. So press the Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for 007 first light game and then highlight it. Then press menu and then select manage game and add-ons. Click on save data, reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete profile. Make sure you click delete from console when deleting. Step 3 is to clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray. Click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see this persistent storage feature in your Xbox console, then skip this step. Step 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general, network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. After following all 4 steps, now you can go ahead launch the 007 first light game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account that you want to remove, select the account in which you are having the problem and then select remove. Then re-add your account and after adding your account, launch 007 first light game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5, continue. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then select the port one by one and check which one worked for you. Fix 4 is to run 007 first light game from store instead of running the game from Xbox home. To do so, type 007 first light in the search bar and click on it and then click on launch game and check. Fix 5 is to change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in the general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings and then click on manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and save it and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to reinstall 007 first light game. So simply uninstall 007 first light game from your Xbox console, then fresh reinstall it and then launch the game and see if that helps or not. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to fix 007 first light game not launching or won't launch issue, crashing problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.